Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy. My name is Dev. हम लोग यहाँ पे निफ्टी एनालाइज करेंगे this week के लिए. So without wasting time, let's get started. So this is Nifty. Back to the top again. From the previous weekly update, you guys can easily recognize now what Nifty is actually doing, right? And that's exactly what I was discussing. You gotta pay attention on this level, what Nifty is doing, right? When you break out this trend, you're supposed to make this move, and when you tag this top, in any moment you break this trend, you're supposed to make this move, right? Now that pattern, you have seen it, if you guys remember, from the gold chart, right? Now based on that, you can easily predict what Nifty is actually trying to do. So that's how you got free lesson if you guys are trying to learn patterns from this video, which will be a little bit difficult because there are a couple of them, but still you can see them happening on the charts live. Alright, so what's the scene this week? What we are expecting Nifty? Now, one thing keep in mind, guys, this is not a trading strategy. We are giving you a direction, which direction we are looking at. Now you have to have the strategy to trade it. So this is your 1, this is your 2. If I am expecting Nifty to make 3, you have to have some certain things to trade that thing. Okay. So the move which I'm expecting in Nifty, as long as we are above this trend, we might push it up, which means I'll take very short term buys. But anytime we are breaking this trend line for the downside with an impulsive move, this is the trade I'm looking at. There's also election, I think, in coming weeks, so volatility. Now that does not affect the market structure, but that does affect volatility in the market. Alright, so this week we're expecting, if Nifty is maintaining this trend, you can buy in dips and keep it very short term. Any moment you're breaking it, you're looking for this trade. So that's the direction plan from India Trading Academy. I hope you have some strategy to trade it so you can make some money out of it, right? So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.